What's up, guys? Welcome back. We got a 2002 Nissan Frontier. We're gonna diagnose a no start right now, and I was testing voltage at the battery and the alternator not too long ago. So I'll show you like how many voltage we get from the battery and the alternator. All right. So like I said, we're gonna test voltage. We're gonna get a meter. You're gonna set it to volts, DC volts. You could put this either at the post or at the terminal, however you want to place it. And you put the other lead on the negative post or the terminal. And we're reading about, so earlier it was reading about 8, but it's reading 6 now. We're also gonna test voltage at the alternator. You can reach the alternator here if you can see where it goes.